everyone how to install WhatsApp on your PC. And you can make phone calls. Phone calls. Not like when you go to web.whatsapp.com and use WhatsApp on the web. You can't make phone calls. But here you can. So first you have to go search here. Or normally you will find it right over here. And you can also just click this and look for the ones. Here are the ones. Social network apps. If I click on them, I will see like what. Now I will just click here. Now I can install the app. When I install it, you can see chats, phone calls, and status. The images are not good here, so let's see. You have the phone calls icon and the video call icon. Here are some people making a video call. So now you know how to install WhatsApp on your PC. See you next time, and please give me a like button and click the subscribe button for more videos to help you learn how to work in a PC. Goodbye.